We are pleased to show you the 2018 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.